Imagine taking the open road in a rolling mansion, where five-star luxury meets the thrill of adventure. From high-tech smart homes on wheels to palaces packed with every indulgence imaginable, these aren't just RVs, they're ultimate luxury machines. Get ready to explore the top 5 ultimate luxury RVs of 2025, where cutting-edge innovation meets unmatched comfort. Number 1. Toyota Motorhome. The Toyota Motorhome has earned its place among the top 5 ultimate luxury RVs of 2025, redefining travel with its perfect blend of innovation, comfort, and performance. Built on Toyota's reliable chassis, this high-end motorhome is designed for modern explorers who seek both adventure and elegance. Inside, the Toyota Motorhome boasts a sleek, tech-integrated interior with premium leather seating, a fully equipped smart kitchen, and a spacious master suite. High-tech automation allows travelers to control lighting, temperature, and security via a touchscreen panel or voice commands. A solar-powered energy system enhances off-grid capabilities, ensuring sustainability without sacrificing comfort. On the road, Toyota's cutting-edge hybrid powertrain delivers fuel efficiency and smooth performance, making long-distance travel effortless. Advanced driver assist features, including lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control, provide enhanced safety. The panoramic sunroof and expandable living space create an open, airy feel, elevating the travel experience. For those who demand luxury, reliability, and smart technology in their RV adventures, the Toyota Motorhome stands out as a top-tier choice in 2025's ultimate luxury RV lineup. Number 2. Kia Motorhome. The 2025 Kia Motorhome is poised to redefine luxury travel, merging Kia's renowned automotive innovation with the opulence of high-end recreational vehicles. This state-of-the-art motorhome boasts a sleek, aerodynamic design that enhances both aesthetics and fuel efficiency. Inside, travelers are greeted with a meticulously crafted interior featuring premium materials, cutting-edge technology, and spacious living areas designed for ultimate comfort on the road. Equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, the Kia Motorhome ensures a safe and effortless driving experience. Its robust powertrain delivers ample performance, making long-distance journeys smooth and enjoyable. Modern amenities such as a fully equipped kitchen, luxurious sleeping quarters, and a spa-like bathroom cater to the needs of discerning travelers seeking both adventure and indulgence. While the 2025 Kia Motorhome stands out as a pinnacle of luxury, other notable models in this elite category include the Newmar King Air, renowned for its Italian leather furniture and quartz countertops, and the For-Travel Realm Presidential Luxury Villa 2 LV2, offering unparalleled craftsmanship and sophisticated design. These motorhomes, along with Kia's latest offering, exemplify the zenith of luxury RVs in 2025. Number 3. Winnebago Access 26RL. The 2025 Winnebago Access 26RL stands out as a top-tier luxury RV, blending comfort, style, and functionality for an elevated travel experience. With a 30-foot length and a dry weight of 6,454 pounds, it offers ample space while remaining tow-friendly. The aerodynamic exterior ensures smooth towing, while powered stabilizer jacks make campsite setup effortless. Inside, the Access 26RL boasts a contemporary, well-appointed design. The spacious rear living area is perfect for relaxation, featuring plush seating and large panoramic windows. The fully equipped kitchen includes modern appliances, solid surface countertops, and generous storage, making meal prep easy. A 60x80 residential queen bed in the master suite ensures restful sleep, while the well-designed bathroom offers home-like comfort. User reviews praise its thoughtful floor plan and upscale finishes, earning it a solid 4.2-star rating. While positioned as an affordable luxury travel trailer, it competes with high-end models in comfort and quality. Its combination of practicality and elegance makes the Winnebago Access 26RL a premier choice for those seeking a refined yet adventurous RV lifestyle in 2025. Whether for weekend getaways or extended trips, this travel trailer delivers a first-class experience on the road. Number 4. Toyota Takozilla. The Toyota Takozilla is a custom-built overlanding camper unveiled at the 2021 SEMA show, inspired by the classic Toyota Chinook campers from the 1970s and 1980s. Built on the Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport platform, this rugged yet stylish camper is designed for off-road adventures without sacrificing comfort. The Tacozilla's exterior features a fully custom aluminum camper shell, seamlessly integrated with the Tacoma's body for an aerodynamic look. The raised suspension, all-terrain tires, and high ground clearance ensure it can tackle rough terrains with ease. Inside, the Tacozilla is a self-sufficient mini-home on wheels. It includes a full kitchen with a stove and sink, a dining area that converts into a bed, and even a bathroom with a shower, a rarity in compact off-road campers. A pass-through door connects the truck's cabin to the camper, allowing for easy access. While Toyota hasn't announced plans for mass production, the Tacozilla concept showcases the possibilities of a modern, factory-built off-road camper. Enthusiasts love its retro aesthetic combined with modern technology, making it a dream vehicle for overlanders. Whether it's for weekend getaways or long-haul adventures, the Tacozilla is a perfect blend of nostalgia, innovation, and rugged capability. Number 5. Airstream Interstate 24X. The Airstream Interstate 24X is a Class B adventure van designed for off-grid exploration without sacrificing luxury. Built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 EXT chassis, it features a 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel engine delivering 188 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque, providing ample power for diverse terrains. The vehicle measures 24 feet 6 inches in length, 6 feet 7 inches in width, and 9 feet 9 inches in height, with an interior height of 6 feet 2 inches, offering a spacious yet maneuverable profile. Equipped with all-terrain tires, all-wheel drive capabilities, and rugged body protection, the Interstate 24X is tailored for off-road adventures. Its off-grid power system includes a 400-watt solar array and a 2.5-kilowatt ultra-quiet generator with auto start, ensuring sustained energy supply in remote locations. Inside, the van offers a versatile living space with a convertible seating and sleeping area that accommodates up to 2 people. The kitchen is equipped with a 2-burner cooktop, 5.0 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator with drawer freezer, and a sink, facilitating meal preparation on the go. The wet bath includes a shower, toilet, and sink, providing essential comforts. Storage is optimized with an aluminum aircraft L-track storage system on the walls and floor, allowing secure transport of gear. Additional features include a power armless awning with auto-retract, LED lighting, and both indoor and outdoor showers, enhancing the overall camping experience. From private lounges to state-of-the-art entertainment systems, these luxury RVs prove that road trips will never be the same again. If you could take one of these dream machines on an epic journey, where would you go first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more of the world's most extravagant rides. Until next time, keep chasing luxury.